Alright guys, welcome back. Another video. First mod for the Z71. We're gonna install headers. These are pacesetters. They're pacesetter headers. Long tube. I believe they're 1 7/8. I could be wrong. I'm not too sure. Diego bought them, so I'm just doing the work, as you guys know. Got a white pipe, but I'm not sure if it's gonna fit because this one's a 4x4. We bought it off of a car that was 2-wheel drive, so I'm not sure if it's gonna fit or not. But if it does, cool. If it doesn't, whatever. We'll just go to a muffler shop and they'll get it done for us. All right, guys. So I have both of the cats out. The right side, driver's side manifold off. Just have to take off the passenger side. After that, I'm gonna make a quick run to AutoZone. I have to go get some gaskets. I was thinking about reusing the stock ones, but I'm probably just gonna go get those. All right, guys, so both headers are out.
Yo, look, we got this shit. We're gonna freaking shell it to the gate. So hopefully it brings it back to life. Hopefully. We got the slim one. We wanted the thick one, but our junkyard doesn't have it. Or maybe it does, but not close by. We gotta go like 15 minutes away.
It's like, yeah, the one that we went to was like 15 minutes away. The other one's about 30-45 minutes away. But we're like, all right, cool. We'll just do this one. So we're gonna install this guy.
It's a $16 mod.
Yep. So local junkyard, 16 bucks.
That's probably what they are doing, maybe. I haven't even looked at it.
Yeah, we haven't searched it up, so we probably got scammed. Probably didn't.
16 bucks not bad.
Yeah, but there she is. Look, got the long tube headers installed last night. Can you guys see them? Probably can't. I just had to connect the O2 sensors, but there they are. Yeah, we started it up this morning. It's pretty fucking loud. Yeah, it wasn't too bad of a job. But sheesh. I got the other 2 bolts. And alright guys, long tubes, 4.8. Oh. For the YouTube vid, for the gram.